Hi guys, so what I have here today is the Fashion Lady watch from Brigada. Beautiful, stylish, and elegant watch. So the watch window is a sapphire crystal, meaning this is scratch resistant, and it's made of all stainless steel, rose gold in color. Automatic, meaning it is powered by movement, and as you can see, the rotor is moving up there. It's so cool. Okay, the strap is red glossy leather, and the stitchings on the edges are neatly done. It's beautifully made. Yeah, and inside we have the 11 diamonds that acts as a R marks, and it is designed with two hearts inside. It's so beautiful. And in here you can see it's embedded with diamond around the circle. Okay, and we have the rose gold buckle. Now let's wear this thing. I have 6.5 inches wrist circumference, and I'm comfortable using the third eyelet in here. So let's set this up. I'm gonna insert here in the third eyelet. Okay, now it's locked. Okay, lock, and secure. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, I really love this watch. Okay, hope you like my video guys. Thank you for watching.